was fascinated by mathematics. And his theory of innate ideas is specifically motivated by giving a simple mathematical proof in a dialogue called the Meno. It's a beautiful piece of work in which a boy is asked to produce a square double the area of a given square. And he first of all makes mistakes, and then he hits on a proof that the square on the diagonal is twice the area. It's a very beautiful proof.
The scene. Socrates, Plato's teacher and the central figure in his dialogues, wants to demonstrate to his friend Meno that knowledge of geometric truths is innate. How will he do this? By drawing a subtle geometric proof out of the mind of a slave boy who has had no training in geometry. Socrates will put no thoughts into the boy's head. He will only ask questions that help the boy to clarify his own innate ideas. First, Socrates helps the boy recognize that as you double the length of the sides of a square from 2 feet to 4 feet, you end up not doubling the area as the boy first thinks, but quadrupling it. So given this figure to work from, how could you determine the length of the sides of a square that would cover 8 square feet?
And does not this line, reaching from corner to corner, bisect each of these spaces?
Yes.
And are there not here 4 equal lines which contain this space?
There are.
Look and see how much this space is.
I do not understand.
Has not each interior line cut off half of its own 4 spaces?
Yes.
And how many spaces are there in this section?
4.
And how many in this?
2.
And this space is of how many feet?
2, 4, 6, 8 feet.
And from what line do you get this figure?
From this.
That is, from the line which extends from corner to corner of the figure of 4 feet?
Yes.
And that is the line which the learned call the diagonal. And if this is the proper name, then you, Meno's slave, are prepared to affirm that the square that covers 8 feet is the square of this diagonal?
Certainly, Socrates.
Were not all these answers given out of his own head?
Yes, they were all his own.
Without anyone teaching him, he will recover his knowledge for himself if he is only asked questions?
Yes.
It's a very beautiful proof. When you see that proof, hey man, that's amazing, that's true, that has to be true. People who have that experience become very interested in innate ideas. They don't have to, but for 2,000 years, and I believe for the next 2,000 years, they will.
If Descartes and later rationalists had said only that math and abstract ideas are innate, they would have gotten little argument from the empiricists. But Descartes also wanted to prove that knowledge about the physical world could be acquired through pure reason.